cake. Mmm.
Good?
Cupcake cake.
Yeah, you're good.
Say, Dada, look at me. I want to cry. Yay!
Is that our first piece of chocolate?
No, I can't believe she's 7 months old and she's eating a cupcake all by herself. It's like the day she ate a donut. Daddy and I gave her a donut. It was like,
Aww.
she devoured it.
Here, let's fix it. Here. Get it. Get it. Let me show you how I'm done paying.
Watch Aunt Brenna. Peyton. Hi. Take a bite. Num num. Yay! Good job. Yay!
I'm just waiting for her to scrunch it. Ready?